In this video, you'll learn how to expand existing third-party or legacy Enphase PV systems using the IQ Combiner 6C. We'll review the key design and installation considerations required to ensure safe and reliable system operation. Supported system expansions include existing grid-tied systems using either third-party inverters or legacy Enphase PV. Legacy Enphase PV refers to microinverters older than the IQ6, IQ7, or IQ8 series. Third-party systems include most non-Enphase inverters. Existing systems must be grid-tied only and cannot include backup systems, batteries, or generators. All third-party and legacy Enphase PV systems must be connected to the IQ Combiner 6C load control breaker slot. This breaker slot supports a maximum of 64 amps of continuous current using an 80 amp breaker. Never connect third-party or legacy Enphase PV systems to the PV bus bar. When sizing IQ10C batteries for existing systems, the total battery AC power must be equal to or greater than the AC power of a third-party or legacy PV system. A good rule of thumb is to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio. For example, if the existing system is rated at 10 kilowatts, you'll need a minimum of 2 IQ10C batteries, providing a combined output of 14.16 kilowatts. Refer to the chart for additional sizing guidance. For grid-tied and partial home backup system expansions, external consumption CTs must be wired into the load control header port to enable whole home monitoring. Keep in mind that using this configuration disables battery charging while the grid is up. Refer to the IQ Combiner 6C Quick Install Guide for detailed wiring instructions. During commissioning, it's important to correctly configure the integrated load control, selecting either PV shedding or NIM multi-tariff mode when required. For additional help with planning or installing system expansions using third-party or legacy Enphase PV, consult the System Planning Technical Brief on the Enphase documentation page.